County, Honorable Speaker. You saw, like I saw yesterday, Honorable Barre, Honorable Bouse, Honorable Mukaya, they were on media, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Bouse was giving his 30 roads that he gave Honorable Speaker to be done. And when you calculate, Honorable, I was sharing with my good friend Honorable Barre this morning that 30 roads, then if you calculate 2 kilometers per load, that is already 60 kilometers. And as a government, Honorable Speaker, we had said every member of the County Assembly to give his 20 kilometers of road first we start with. So I'm urging these members, and I'm urging Honorable Bouse, who is my good friend, let him bring first out of the 30 roads, let him choose about 10 which are about 20 kilometers. He brings them up to be done. So, Honorable Speaker, the governor is up and they will do roads in all 45 wards without discrimination. We are only asking members and urging them that this is the right place to speak from. If you have 30 kilometers, 30 roads, reduce them to 10, choose the ones which are pathetic, about 20 kilometers, give them out so that they are done. And if you do not do that, Honorable Speaker, the executive will be forced to go to the common mwananchi, Honorable Speaker, to pick those roads from there. So I'm urging honorable members, those ones who have not submitted the roads, kindly you go ahead and give them to the various committee and the departments so that you can give the executive easy time to do those roads, Honorable Speaker. And I'm urging members that, Honorable Speaker, there is no ward in Kisii County out of the 45 wards which will be left out from the roads, Honorable Speaker. So Oyagi and others, Honorable Speaker, your interest will be taken care of, and we have to make sure that people get equal services, Honorable Speaker.